I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy liquid laundry detergent that uses natural ingredients, and it's just as good as what you can buy at the store, and it will save you a ton of money. So first thing we do is we boil 5 cups of water, and that's what we're going to use to dissolve this stuff in. So let's look at our ingredients while I've got the water on the stove. It's heating up right now. So we're going to use Baby Mild Castile soap. We're going to use baking soda, and we're going to use super washing soda. And we're going to mix these all together, and then you can use this just like you do any other liquid detergent, but it's going to save you a ton of money over what you would pay for those high-end detergents. So I've got the water. It's almost ready, and we'll get started putting this together as soon as the water gets hot. Okay, so you can see I've got my hot water. It's steaming. It's in an old pitcher because that's going to make it easier to pour into our final container. So the first thing we're going to put in is 2/3 of a cup of super washing soda. Stir that up real good. Next thing we're going to put in is 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Once again, we're going to stir it up real good. And the last thing we're going to do is put in a 1/2 cup of liquid Castile soap. Then we're going to stir it up one more time. And that's all there is to it. Now that's a quick and easy natural laundry detergent. So all I have to do now is let this cool down, and then once it cools down, I'm going to put it into my repurposed jug here, and this makes about 44 ounces, so this jug is 75 ounces, and so it'll be a little over half full, but that'll last me probably almost 2 months. Okay, so this is a really easy and quick way to make up a totally natural laundry detergent, and this will make your clothes really clean, and it'll have them. The baking soda helps to as a fabric softener in the wash, so it'll help soften your clothes. We're going to let this cool down now, and then we're going to put it into the jug, and I'm going to use it to wash some clothes here in a few minutes. So if you have a minute, like our Facebook page, please like our YouTube channel so we can keep bringing these videos to you, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.